Ever wanted to give customers that little extra push to buy, like, buy this one and get this one for free? Promotions like this are powerful, but setting them up shouldn't be complicated. That's why we built Crucials, the all-in-one BigCommerce app with over 30 tools to help you sell more, including the powerful Buy X Get Y feature. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Head over to the Buy X Get Y app and enable it in just one click. Next, create your promotion. You can select which product to offer as a gift. You can also fully tailor the display to match your store's look and feel, from the wording of the offer to how it appears on your product pages. Once you hit save, check it out live. Now your shoppers see clear, irresistible deals that encourage them to buy your products. Buy X Get Y is just one of over 30 tools in Crucials designed to help you increase sales and grow your BigCommerce store. Try it today and see the difference.